Hey everyone, it's Investment IQ Insights, and let's talk AI. Artificial intelligence is absolutely exploding in popularity, and for good reason. It has the potential to revolutionize nearly every industry on the planet, from healthcare to finance to transportation. But here's the thing. Most people think investing in AI requires dumping tons of money into tech giants. Not today. In this video, we're diving deep into 4 AI stocks that are undervalued and primed for massive growth. And the best part is, you don't need to be a millionaire to get in the game. We're going to break down each company's history, analyze their future prospects, and, most importantly, see why they're absolute steals at their current prices. Remember, we're not financial advisors, this isn't financial advice, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. First up is Arista Networks, ticker symbol ANET. Now, Arista specializes in high-performance networking gear, the kind of stuff that makes lightning-fast AI processing possible. Think of them as the unsung heroes behind the scenes, making sure data flows smoothly. Over the past 5 years, Arista's stock has absolutely crushed the market, and for good reason. Their revenue and earnings have been growing at a ridiculous pace, consistently exceeding Wall Street's expectations. Why? Because they're the go-to choice for massive data centers and cloud providers, the same ones fueling the AI revolution. And get this, their future looks even brighter. As demand for AI explodes, so too will the need for Arista's networking solutions. And with a rock-solid balance sheet and a history of innovation, they're in a prime position to capitalize on this massive opportunity. Right now, Arista is trading at a discount compared to its peers, making it an absolute steal in the long run. Remember, this is a long-term play, not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you're looking to invest in the backbone of the AI revolution, Arista Networks is a fantastic place to start. Next, we've got UiPath, ticker symbol PATH. UiPath is all about robotic process automation, or RPA. What's that? Imagine software robots that can handle all those tedious, repetitive tasks that eat up your time. UiPath's platform lets businesses automate everything from data entry to customer service, freeing up employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. This is huge for businesses looking to boost productivity and efficiency in the age of AI. Now, UiPath stock took a bit of a hit recently, but that's actually good news for savvy investors. They're still the dominant player in the RPA market, and their growth potential is absolutely massive. Think about it, almost every industry can benefit from automation. Plus, they've got a strong track record of innovation, constantly rolling out new features and capabilities. This dip in price is a golden opportunity to buy into a high-growth company at a discounted price. Just remember, patience is key in the stock market. Let's move on to Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Now, Palantir is a bit more controversial, but hear me out. They specialize in big data analytics, primarily for government agencies. We're talking intelligence gathering, national security, that sort of thing. Their software helps connect the dots, find patterns, and extract insights from massive data sets. It's powerful stuff, and it's no surprise they've become a key partner for governments worldwide. But here's where it gets interesting. Palantir is expanding into the commercial sector. They're applying their data crunching expertise to industries like healthcare, finance, and even energy. This move into new markets has the potential to be a game changer for Palantir, opening up massive new revenue streams. Sure, they've had their ups and downs, but their technology is undeniable. And with a recent push towards profitability, Palantir could be on the verge of a major breakout. If you're comfortable with a bit more risk, Palantir is definitely a stock to keep your eye on. Finally, we have Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSM. You might not know their name, but you definitely know their clients. Apple, AMD, Nvidia, they all rely on TSM to manufacture their most advanced chips. We're talking about the brains that power our smartphones, computers, and yes, even AI systems. TSMC is the world leader in semiconductor manufacturing, and they're only getting bigger. As demand for AI chips skyrockets, TSM is in the driver's seat. They're investing billions in new factories and cutting-edge technology, staying ahead of the curve. Their financials are rock solid, with consistent profitability and a fortress-like balance sheet. Now, TSM might not be the flashiest stock out there, but it's a foundational play on the AI revolution. When you invest in TSM, you're investing in the future of computing itself. And with their dominant market position and commitment to innovation, TSM is well positioned to deliver solid returns for years to come. So there you have it, 4 undervalued AI stocks with explosive growth potential. Remember, this is just a starting point. Do your own research, and as always, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful and want to keep learning about the stock market, we've got 2 more videos popping up on the screen right now. Click on one of them to continue growing your investing knowledge and building your financial future. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today.